Comfort at work starts with the right HVAC system. When you search for commercial HVAC service near you, think Rocky HVAC LLC. They specialize in keeping your business climate perfect year-round. Their services include fast repairs, preventive maintenance, and efficient installations. A smooth running system means lower bills and fewer headaches. They're committed to reliability, so you can focus on running your business. Visit rocky-hvac.com today. So, schedule your service with confidence.